Okay, I added your update to the full thing now. As far as like, working on what you have written so far, I guess if you run into any issues, let me know. But just highlighting whatever section you need the most work on and just loop it and just play along to it over and over and over again so you got it. It's good. Having it memorized, I wouldn't say that's necessary. Being able to play it while looking at it, that's perfectly fine. That's a lot to memorize. So being able to play it and look, while you're looking at it's good. So the idea is here. This is the next thing that I have written there, and it's using the second scale shape. And it's got some bars down there. So the main thing is, improvise until you come up with something, which is, I'm glad that you put it in there. So we'll do the same thing here again. So in the blank bars there, that's when you write or improvise and then get something down for the second scale shape. So eventually we're going to have all the scale shapes being used. It's a big old solo. Now, of course, you can keep it at, the 60 BPM that you have there. That's totally fine. I'm trying to think. Yeah, so I want you to get your thing down first. Be able to play through, what I have written at the beat for like the first scale shape, and then play what you wrote for that as well, and then get into this. So eventually we're going to have like a big old thing, and again, you don't have to be able to play it from memory. You just got to be able to look at it and play through it as it goes. So I really want to stick with this time and see it to the end before we change like scale shapes and stuff. So if that means during lesson time we just got to work things up to make sure that you get it, we're going to do that. So as soon as the sound issues are all fixed up, we're back to doing metronome stuff live. So this way you get the immediate feedback. Anyway, I'm going to break down what's going on here with this. So that right there, I don't think we've done this rhythm before, but it's basically that 6 there in the tuplet. The tuplet is basically this little bracket here. So it's saying that we're dividing up that one beat into 6 parts. So we have, it's almost, you can think of it like tripleted 16th notes. It's really like sextuplets going on here. So you got the 3 16th notes there, and then it's hard to see, but it is a dotted eighth note. The dotted eighth note is the length of 3 16th notes. So basically this happens in the first half of the beat, and then on the upbeats you got that right there. So with the metronome going, so if you think of it like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, or just like a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a, or you can even count it like 1 and a E and a 1 and a E and a 1 and a E and a something like that. Just 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a E and a, any which way you want to count it's totally fine. So that's how it's spaced, and we just got the first 4. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. It's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 da 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 da. So then you can have like that. So if you were able to work it up to 120, and you don't have to, whatever tempo you do is totally fine. That's how that would go at 120. So back to 60. And then you can work that up. Of course, do it in 5s when you work it up. It's kind of like a neat way to get in like a quick burst of notes and not be too difficult. So that's what's going on with that rhythm there. So I'm going to play through this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang it, I lost the rhythm. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again at 80. 1 and the 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then this pattern here, it's kind of a repeating thing over and over again. So rhythmically, nice and simple. Here it is at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. E 1, 2, 3, 4. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oof. Hold that too far. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm blowing the pinch at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Okay, and then this do have some pretty big bends right there. So when we're doing bends, use 3 fingers to help out. Your thumb over the top of the neck can really help as well, because you really gotta just bend the hell out of that E string to get it up there. So you want it to sound like the 12th fret when you bend the 10 up. Okay, so if we need to work on bend stuff, we will, but I can't remember if we've done much with bends. Well, we're doing it right now. Anyway, so yeah, you got these 2 bends. You bend it up on the 1, bend this up on beat 3, and this one you're going to go up and down. So let's do it at 60, the whole thing. And so yeah, here you got, you know, your downbeat of 1. This is on the downbeat of 2. That's the upbeat of 2. And that'll be the same rhythm again here. So just this part at the 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. I muted the string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oof. Too many strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. $120. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, play that new stuff along with the track. Make sure I got a count in. And 1 bar of a count. Okay. go. Improvise on that second scale shake. So, second pentatonic scale shape, 8, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10, and back down, 10, 8, 10, 8, 9, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 8. Once again, 10, not 10, 8, 10, 7, 10. 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10. Back down. 10, 8, 10, 8, 9, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 8. All right. Let's do it again at the 120. Alright, enough of that. I'm going to get rid of that last note on here, though. We don't need that. Change to something else. Okay. Alright, I think that covers it. So, yeah, reminder with the speed, with the picking, try it at 160 next. And any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again next week.